Hello folks. Welcome to MobileSemiTruckRepair.com hotline. My name is Winston. I'm sort of a spokesperson around here. This is Desmond.
That's correct. I'm Desmond. I'm also sort of a spokesperson for the MobileSemiRepair.com hotline as well. Welcome to the MobileSemiTruckRepair.com hotline sign-up video.
As you can see, at the MobileSemiTruckRepair.com hotline, we are all about connecting truckers, trailer homeowners, commercial bus operations, and heavy-duty farm equipment owners with semi-truck repair, bus roadside repair, RV, and farm equipment repair services whenever and wherever repair help is needed. This is what we do 7 days a week, 24 hours around the clock.
You said a mouthful, Winston. When a truck driver has mechanical issues while out on the road headed to their destination drop point, or driving to their backhaul, he or she will press the voice app on their smartphone and say, "Mobile truck mechanic near me." This driver will need to avoid shade tree mechanics. Instead, this truck driver will require a competent, skilled, experienced, well-equipped local diesel truck mechanic. And the driver will require those repairs ASAP.
Now, this is where the magic begins to happen. Our digital tech teams make our MobileSemi-TruckRepair.com hotline website super easy for anyone to find with a smartphone, a tablet, or a computer within 50 miles north, south, east, or west of our target marketing area. This is accomplished by our tech department's constant efforts to get and keep our websites on page 1 of the most familiar search engines, such as Google, Bing, and Yahoo. And our longitude and latitude technology will pinpoint the driver's smartphone location, allowing him or her to connect to our nearest mobile semi-truck repair mechanic member by way of our websites. It's just incredible.
We are in search of a great semi-truck repair company, or a mobile truck mechanic, or a diesel shop with mobile capabilities, or a commercial truck repair shop to service the Austin, Texas area.
That's right, Desmond. And just in case you're wondering, you did hear Desmond correctly. We are only offering this powerful online mobile truck mechanic digital marketing strategy to only one. That's right, one single mobile truck mechanic service company for the entire Austin, Texas marketing area.
We call this method of advertising exclusivity. In other words, you would be sharing the approximately 368 cities, towns, connection roads, and highways of the Austin, Texas marketing area with no other mobile truck mechanic advertiser. You heard me correctly. All approximately 368 online sites would be for your mobile semi-truck repair operation only. Allow me to repeat that again another way. Approximately 368 cities, towns, and all connecting roads and highways would be your online marketing area and only your online marketing area for the honorable service of mobile semi-truck repair.
Wow. That's a lot of territory, Desmond.
Yeah, you can say that again, and again, and again.
So, in a nutshell, if you are interested in a high-powered, page 1, online marketing mobile truck mechanic website for the entire area within a 50-mile radius of Austin, Texas, and want more information, or are ready to sign up for this marketing area before one of your local competitors takes advantage of this huge opportunity before you do, go to the sign-up link shown below on the screen, or click on the sign-up link in the description area of this video.
And if you sign up today, you will have the opportunity of our no-contract limited time offer.
I'm Winston.
And I'm Desmond.
Thanks for stopping by. To your success.